Are you tired of dragging yourself to the gym, yawning before the first rep, and quitting halfway through your sets because you just feel drained? What if I told you the problem isn't your body? It's your energy system. And today, I'm about to break down the best energy supplements for your workouts. No fluff, no hype. Just what works, backed by real science and suited for our Indian lifestyle. This is Bob the Coach, and if your goal is to crush your workout without crashing halfway, then listen closely. Because in the next few minutes, you'll know exactly what to take before a workout to boost your performance, burn fat faster, and feel laser focused. Even if you're training on zero motivation, now let's dive in. The first and most powerful energy booster, the king of all stimulants, caffeine. Whether it's black coffee, caffeine pills, or a pre-workout mix, caffeine boosts alertness, endurance, and even fat oxidation. Just 200 milligrams of caffeine, taken 30 to 45 minutes before your workout, can turn a lazy gym session into a beast mode performance. But here's the catch. Don't overdo it. If you're having coffee at 7 p.m. and wondering why you can't sleep, that's caffeine messing with your recovery. So, use it smart. Pre-lunch workouts? Caffeine is your friend. Evening sessions? Maybe skip it. Now let's talk creatine monohydrate, possibly the most researched supplement in the world. But hold on, it's not a stimulant. So why is it in an energy list? Because creatine gives your muscles more fuel during high-intensity workouts, like lifting weights or sprinting. Think of it like upgrading your battery from 10% to 90%. Just 3 to 5 grams daily is enough. No need for any fancy loading phase. The third one on the list is beta-alanine. If you've ever taken a pre-workout and felt your skin tingle, that's beta-alanine kicking in. It helps delay muscle fatigue, especially in high-intensity workouts that burn you feel during your last few reps. Beta-alanine helps push past that. Again, 2 to 5 grams per day is enough, but it works best when taken consistently, not just before workouts. If you're someone who lives for the pump, yes, it's that muscle-engorging, ego-boosting pump, then say hello to citrulline malate. This amino acid increases nitric oxide levels, improving blood flow to your muscles. That means better nutrient delivery, better endurance, and yes, better pumps. Go for 6 to 8 grams before your workout. It's especially effective when combined with caffeine. Now let's say you're training early morning on an empty stomach. You don't want to feel weak halfway through. In that case, BCAAs or EAAs can help. These are amino acids that prevent muscle breakdown and help maintain energy during fasted training. They're not necessary if you're eating well, but for fasted lifters, they're a solid support. But wait, not everyone wants powders and pills. You're looking for something more natural. And suited for our Indian lifestyle, here's a simple, powerful pre-workout mix you can make at home. 1 ripe banana, fast carbs to fuel your muscles. 1 cup of black coffee, caffeine to wake your brain up. A pinch of Himalayan pink salt for hydration and electrolyte balance. Add a glass of water, and you've got yourself a no BS energy boost that's cheap, clean, and effective. Want to go even more holistic? Consider ashwagandha. It's an ancient Indian herb known for boosting strength, reducing stress, and improving stamina. It's not a quick fix, but over a few weeks, it can help you stay calm, focused, and consistent with your workouts. That consistency, that's where real transformation lives. Let's not forget, no supplement can replace poor sleep, bad nutrition, or lack of movement. Energy supplements are just boosters, not miracles. If you're sleeping for hours, living on sugar, and glued to a chair all day, no amount of caffeine or creatine is going to save you. So here's the truth. If you want real, lasting energy in the gym, fix your foundation first. Your sleep, your food, your hydration. Then add these supplements to take your performance to the next level. But don't just watch and move on. Take action. If you've been putting off joining the gym, waiting for the perfect energy levels, or the right time, guess what? That time is now. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Join a gym near you, walk in, start moving, and when you feel that first drop of sweat, you'll know you finally started showing up for yourself. This is Bob the Coach, helping you build discipline, drop excuses, and transform your body one step at a time. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Share it with a friend who needs a push. Subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness guidance made for real people with real goals. See you in the next one. And remember, energy isn't found. It's built.